Hello everybody. I'm working on soldering my filigree earrings here. Soldering the post on. And thought maybe you might want to see me solder these together. So little filigree pieces that I'm working on. I'm doing a filigree workshop for Little Metal Foxes coming up, and I just needed to solder these posts on. So these are a regular little filigree piece, similar to the samples that we're going to make in the filigree class, and I wanted to go ahead and get these posts soldered on. So since I was sitting here and I just finished a workshop in cold connections, I thought I'd get these guys soldered on real quick. There we go. And there we go. So that one's done like that. And I'm using paste solder for this. The filigree was done using the Victoria Lansford's Russian filigree powder, and it gives it a really beautiful finish. So these look real good as far as my filigree is concerned. And the easy paste solder works really well to add on a finding. And I like using the post with pad on pieces like this because it will give it a little more stability on the back as well. So there we go. Haha. Little solder joint. And here we go. And that's how that's done. Just thought you might like to see that. And I'll give these a pickle and brass brush so that you can kind of see what these look like when they're all finished. But there we go. So soldering an earring post on the back of my filigree. Yay! Everybody, thanks for tuning in. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.